Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Yesterday in the live market we have shown you about noon market and evening market. And I have suggested to trade Adani Enterprise, Adani Total Gas, ATGL. So I told you that I have bought 1000 share at 1001.5. And the stocks what we are choosing is it has to go up before 3 o'clock. It has to end in green only. So such kind of stocks only we are selecting. Also we are taking the help from the our MST iCore 2.0 so that we are getting the perfect entry. So yesterday what happened? Yesterday this is what we have taken. Okay. So this is 3 digit or 4 digit stock. So we are supposed to keep small stop loss and small target. Okay. Even if you keep tiny also, see here you will not get loss. I tell you for your experience and for your knowledge. Yesterday the low made was 985.40 or 20. Here you can see 985.20. And our stop loss was 985.11. Okay. So the stop loss wasn't hit. And from there it has reversed and all our targets has been hit. So even if you are taking only 100 share at 988 and high made was 1015. So how many points? 17 points. 17 into 100, 1700 rupees profit. If you are taking 1000 share, 17,000 profit. If you are having good investment, if you are taking some 5000 share, you will get 17 into 5000 rupees profit you will get. So such kind of accuracy you will get with our indicator. And one more point is, see here, the high made was 1014.90 and our stop loss was 1014.91. Even 1 point also is not hitting. Such kind of 100% accuracy we are having. So from sell zone it has fallen again from 1014.92 and the low made was 1998.5. And from buy side 98823 to 1014.90. If you have taken buy entry, you are in a profit. If you have taken sell entry, you are in a profit. Whatever side you go, all the sides you will be in a profit. So now actually for 3 digit we are supposed to keep small SL only. Even if you have forgotten to keep, no issue. And moreover, the stocks what we are selecting, we are not going to sell it. We are going to only buy stocks. Even if it is coming down, we will average it and we will book profit. Only booking profit. If today is not happening, tomorrow it will happen. So you should do not only in intraday, you should do in positional. So from buy zone to sell zone, all the targets have been hit. And the next one is Bank Nifty. Yesterday I have shown in Bank Nifty, we have given the calls 48,100 PE around 330 and the high made was 536. Okay, from 330 to 536. The stop loss was 275. 275 was the stop loss. The target has been hit from 330 to 530. 200 plus points we have got profit yesterday in one call. So now, so this is Bank Nifty. And I will show you with the default settings and explain you what is noon market. Okay, because we have seen many videos in default settings, some other settings. So this is noon market. See here, previous day perfectly sell got activated, all the targets hit. And yesterday what happened here? For we are suggesting to keep tiny 2 SL for Bank Nifty, Nifty. I will keep in 3 minutes. So now you can see. This is buy entry, right? Perfectly. 47,769 is our entry and the low made was 47,765. So 4 point extra it went down and it has given perfect targets here. Okay. So this is with respect to Bank Nifty noon market. And what about the commodity? Commodity also more people are interested. They are telling, sir, we are going office, we cannot trade in office hours. So please teach us any method which we can follow after the hours, after the office hours. For them we have evening market. Noon market also you can use. Noon evening market also you can use. See here, previous day buy activated, targets hit, and yesterday sell got activated here. Sell got activated here, and very good profit you have got. Here you can say, sir, here buy activated but not target given. What we are saying, if sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell. Only one side you have to trade unless SL hit. If SL hit, you have to reverse your trade. That's a very simple method, right? You don't have to worry. So now market has just opened. Our algorithm is getting formed. Now it is ready. Now we got our 5 lines formed. If market is coming up to 6141, we will be selling. If market is coming down first 6078, we will be buying. Whichever side is going first, that side we will trade, other side we will ignore. This is the mantra. So now exactly sell got activated. If sell activated, we have to enable the sell targets and remove the buy. Okay. So now first target hit. Second, we will go to here. We will remove the buy. We will enable the sell targets. Also will enable the second buy targets, because if SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. So I will add extra targets, because in evening market I will get more profit. I mean more movement will be there. So that's why. So I will enable some 3 to 4 targets. Also what I will do, I will enable this DTP, and I will make the targets to small targets. Okay. So this is my initial steps once sell or buy is activated in evening market. So now sell activated. First target hit. 1:2 ratio is already hit. Now we are waiting for second target. Now the market is running. Once again sell got activated. First target hit, second target hit. So whenever the targets are getting hit, we have to revise our stop loss so that our booked profit will be safe. First target hit, second target hit, third target hit, fourth target hit, fifth target is going to hit. Let us see whether it is coming or not. Let us see. Still market is on. Our revised stop loss is here in green line. We are waiting for this target. Yeah, sixth target also hit, seventh target also hit, and it is nearing to our eighth target. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh target is nearing. Almost 7 targets hit. So all this I have kept 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. So hope the point is very clear. So whatever you follow with our indicator, evening market or morning market or noon market, late night market, you will be in profit. The thing is, you have to be consistently trading. You should trust our system. You should not doubt. If you are going to hospital for a treatment, if doctor is giving some medicine, you should not doubt about the doctor. You should not doubt about the tablets after reaching there. So once you subscribe to our indicator, don't doubt our indicator. Don't doubt the system. It is already proved one. We have been using this for past 12 to 13 years, and we have been getting success. Even all the people who are following us are also getting the success. So follow this method, and here we have taught you about bullish R3C, bearish R3C and all. And if you follow them, you will be in a decent profit. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us to clarify your doubts on the given number 9500009154. And if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and watch it and like and share. Give your valuable comments. Please subscribe to Indicator also along with our Telegram channel for live trading support. Hope this is clear. Thank you all. Bye bye. We wish you all to get profitable trades every day. Thank you. Bye bye.